Yesterday, we baked this whole chicken and then had some of it for dinner. Yummy do.
It's good.
Today we're gonna make, with the leftovers, my homemade chicken soup.
We got our chicken, we got our diced onions, celery, carrots, some frozen peas, frozen corn, chicken broth, and this is the fat and drippings from underneath the chicken that we caught yesterday. Don't let none of that go to waste. You're gonna need a cup and a half of water, butter. Let's make some yummy soup.
About a cup and a half of water. I put in chicken broth. Now I am taking a little bit of the fat off of the chicken drippings. I usually save about half the fat. So as that's getting heated up, we're gonna add the carrots. Take longer than everything else. We'll let that set for about 20 minutes and then we're gonna saute our celery and onion. Put in about 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that get all hot and melty in there. Onion and celery to saute in this pan. We got a casualty off the side. So we're just gonna cook these down until the onions are clear and get that nice aroma going. So we also add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Okay, our lid was open. That was bad.
A lot of it.
We're gonna go ahead and start scooping this out. Give me a paper plate. That was not good, but it's okay. We're gonna rescue it.
Good thing I'm Italian.
You just want a little sprinkle. You don't want a half a bottle in there. Did you get a shot of that? Ooh, don't do that. Sprinkle, sprinkle onion powder. Sprinkle, sprinkle salt. So I'm taking some of the soup broth and I'm just adding it here. And then we'll be adding them to the soup. And an easier way I have found to do that is to just get a lot of liquid in there so you can kind of get all the goodies out of the pan, the butter and stuff. So we're gonna take our celery and onion and we're putting it in here. Adding that to our soup broth, and then we're gonna take some additional soup broth. We're gonna pour it in here. Then we're gonna use that to rinse all the goodies in here. After looking at our broth, it still could use a little extra water, so I'm adding another cup. We're also gonna add a half a cup of rice. This is how I cook. I don't really measure very much unless I'm baking. So about a half a cup of peas, about a half a cup of corn. Here it comes with the chicken. Look, Okay, so adding that in there. You're gonna give that a little stir. And we're gonna go ahead and cook that on low for 30 minutes. And then we'll have super yummy homemade chicken soup. Yay!